In this tutorial, we are going to animate rain. You can see that we've already created 3 layers. There is an underlay, an overlay, and another layer which we call rain. We start by drawing a circle on the rain layer using the oval tool. The shortcut is O. Please remember to hold down the shift key while drawing the circle so that the circle remains proper and doesn't become an ellipse. Also remember to keep both the other layers locked. We now zoom in on the circle that we've drawn, and we are now going to modify the circle into the shape of a falling raindrop. We do this by using the selection tool. The shortcut is V. Please follow the modifications as they are done in the video. Once the shape is done, we select it and convert it into a symbol using F8. Next, we move our raindrop over to the top side of our work area. We then skew it using the transform tool as seen in the video. The shortcut for the transform tool is Q. Once this is done, we again convert our raindrop to a new symbol by selecting it and using F8, and we call it drop. We then enter the symbol by double-clicking it. We extend the timeline here to frame 10 by selecting it and using F5 to add frames. We also add a keyframe on frame 10 using F6. Then on keyframe 2, add frame 10 which we've just created. We move our raindrop down and outside the work area again as seen in the video. We then select some frames in between the first and the last keys. Right-click on any one and choose Create Classic Tween from the menu that appears. A quick preview shows us our raindrop moving down. We now exit the symbol by clicking on the Scene 1 tab as seen in the video. We again convert our symbol to another symbol by selecting it and using F8, and we call this main rain. We again extend our timeline here up to 10 frames by selecting frame 10 and adding frames by using F5. After this, we enter this main rain symbol and extend our timeline till frame 10 again as we've done earlier. We then exit the symbol. Here we select our raindrop symbol and convert it to a symbol again and call it rain. We now enter the rain symbol and extend our timeline to frame 10 as we've been doing inside other symbols. We then select our raindrop symbol here and start duplicating it several times as seen in the video. We exit the rain symbol by clicking on the Scene 1 tab. We convert the raindrop symbol here to a new symbol by selecting it and using F8, and we call it rain 1. Again, we enter our rain symbol by double-clicking it, and just like before, we extend the timeline to frame 10. We duplicate our group of raindrops by selecting them and using Ctrl D. Please follow the video for how many duplicates do we make and how to place them. We enter any one of the symbols by double-clicking it and enter the main symbol of that group by double-clicking it again as seen in the video. We zoom closer so we can see a single raindrop close enough. We are going to add a gradient to each raindrop, so we select a raindrop. Then we go to the color palette, which is located on the vertical tab left to the Properties tab. Please see the video to locate it. Once there, we click on the solid color option and choose linear gradient from the drop-down menu. Please adjust the gradient as seen in the video. We select the swatch on the right and reduce the alpha to 0. Please follow the video carefully. Once this is done, we select our raindrop and adjust the gradient as seen in the video using the gradient transform tool. The shortcut is F. We now select our raindrop, go back to the color palette, select the swatch on the left and set the alpha to 70. Next, we exit all the symbols till we reach the rain 1 symbol as seen in the video. We do a quick preview here and exit the symbol by clicking on the Scene 1 tab. Here we select the rain symbol and go to the Properties, Object and click on the Movie Clip option and choose Graphic instead from the drop-down menu. We then convert the rain symbol into a symbol by using F8. When the naming dialog box appears, we click on the movie clip, which is the current selected option, and we choose Graphic from the drop-down menu instead. We then click on the registration right next to it. Then we name our symbol Main Rain 1. We then enter the symbol and extend our timeline to frame 10 as we've done with the other symbols before. We then copy our symbol and duplicate it using Ctrl D. We then select the symbol and go to Color Effect and Properties Object. We select Alpha and reduce the value to 70% using the slider there. Next, we add a new layer above the under layer and call it Rain 2. Then we go to the Rain layer, copy the rain symbol from this layer. Then we lock this layer, go back to the newly created Rain 2 layer and place the symbol there using Ctrl-Shift-V, which is paste in place. We are now going to scale the symbol down using the Scale and Rotate tool. The shortcut is Ctrl-Alt-S. We scale it down to 60% as seen in the video. A quick preview shows us that we are not quite there yet. A few changes will improve things. It would be a good idea to follow them as they are done in the video exactly. We can add more rain symbols inside by entering the main symbol and duplicating it using Ctrl D. There is virtually no limit to the number of duplicates we can make. Once you've followed all the steps in the video, we go to Properties, Frame, Filters, and we choose Blur from the drop-down menu. We set the quality to high and the values of the X and Y axis will be 2. Let us now do a proper preview using Ctrl-Enter as always. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.